You are not being sent by government, you are speaking for yourself, right?
Correct.
Okay, and you happen to be in the cabinet member of the brigade that PM himself constituted
In 2023.
in 2023.
Correct.
So, okay. So, what do you know about Okoma's, Chomo Okoma's position in that brigade?
Before I will tell you about CHIOMA OKEOMA's position, I would like to tell you my own position first.
All right.
I am the Asia and Middle East rep, and I'm also the head of mission here in Japan. But then it was Biafra Liaison Japan. I was appointed directly by the Prime Minister in these two positions. My
Okay.
appointment was announced on 1st of November 2023 by the Prime Minister in a broadcast. On the same day, Prime Minister instituted a committee he called the ID card committee that was to be chaired by Attorney Jane Iwuze, the then Minister of Foreign Affairs. CHIOMA OKEOMA was a member of that committee. I was a member of that committee. Uche in the former European realm was a member of that committee. Okay, so this is where I have served the committee and as Asia and Middle East rep and as head of Biafra Liaison Japan. Then, CHIOMA OKEOMA's position in that cabinet is just a Director General of Disease Control. Disease
Wow.
Control and Management. That was her portfolio. She was not a minister in any form. I'm telling you exactly the way it is. If she says I'm lying, let her come to the public and debunk this. Thank you.
What about the husband, Bryson Okoma?
The husband held no office, no position. He was just a floor cabinet member, just like Abedo Rama.
Okay. 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 So, but today we I noticed that they open a platform where the husband is now foreign affairs minister, and Chomo Koma is the
Secretary General.
secretary general.
Yes. Now that's where I'm coming to. You know, I just made the first point, the first question I directed to her to come and debunk. Now, if she is not representing that brigade, which some Prime Minister was the leader, then the Composer Abeze was the chief of staff. If she's not representing that very brigade, does that mean that she is now presenting the brigade of OKEOMA, the one he authored the documentations that made him the Prime Minister or the President, right? So that means Prime Minister is not part of that brigade that she is parading today. Because Prime Minister did not and is not part of that brigade that OKEOMA authored the documentations. So if she's speaking, and let me also tell you, that office she's claiming today, Secretary General, never existed in the brigade of Prime Minister Simon. There was nobody like Secretary General. We have Secretary of State. Secretary of State, which was, he's now not with us. Secretary of State. He was in the homeland. If you go to the records, you will find out that what we have was Secretary of State, not General Secretary or Secretary General. Secretary General is not for us. So PM never appointed anybody to the office of Secretary General. We have Secretary of State that is part of Foreign Affairs Department.
When PM was there any time that she dish out that this woman, dish out any member on behalf of government?
Who gave her that authority? Where did she get that such authority from? Is it about disease control or about the running of the government? Is she going to talk about the running of the government that is not in control of? Those that are in control of the government is PM Samoneka, seconded by Dr. Ngozo Arabezi. Anything you didn't hear from these two is a side talk.
Okay. So,
And anybody that is listening to side talk and believing side talk is just wasting their time. Because she has no authority to speak on behalf of BRGIE. At no time was that authority given to her. But whenever Prime Minister is engaged in other things, Dr. Ngozi has the authority to speak on behalf of the Prime Minister. And that is the reason why the Prime Minister made it public that she is the surrogate and sent a message to her to protect the mandate. So if you know of all these two and then you are listening to CHIOMA OKEOMA, and I don't know what else to tell you, but all I have to say is that what she is doing with whoever she is there, standing there with, does not represent the BRGIE of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Because when you look around those standing around her, tell me who is a cabinet member of BRGIE? There is
So
nobody.
why do you think, in your own word, why do you think she's doing what she's doing and claiming to be what she's not?
She's doing what she's doing now is just to rubbish the efforts and the hard work of Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, and in order to destroy it completely, because she's actually degrading the Prime Minister in every ramification. When you look at it today, she's trying to tell you that United States of Biafra does not exist. Whereas the little publication that surfaced today confirmed the PM's confirmation of United States of Biafra Constitution, which we voted for in Finland, December 2nd. It was live. She was there. I don't know how she could deny it.
It's November 29th.
No, not November. November 29 was the redeclaration, but on December 3rd was the day we voted for the Constitution. The Constitution was presented by Dr. Ngozi, and it was everybody voted yes, 100% vote. There was nobody that declined. Everybody in that hall voted yes for the Constitution.
So you said that you said that her job has to do with disease control, right?
That is her office, disease control and management. Nothing more, nothing less.
So when she was in charge of that office, if they asked you to rate her performance, what would that be?
She did nothing because there was nothing she presented as part of as a framework or roadmap to control disease in the United States, in the country that we are going to redeclare. Because when they were asked, all the ministers and department heads were asked to submit their framework or their roadmap, she presented nothing. We didn't see anything. Or did you see any day she made any presentation to the public?
Not at all. Not at all.
So you know why they couldn't make the new the cabinet of United States of Biafra? Let me explain to you.
Okay.
The reason was that during the time of transition, Prime Minister ordered everybody to submit their work, what they have done in BRGIE. Those that couldn't present anything were not qualified to go into the new government. That is why you didn't see most of them, because they are not able to give account or record of what they have done while they were in BRGIE, because they did nothing. Just like OKEOMA, he has no record. OKEOMA don't have financial record. OKEOMA don't have anywhere he wrote that we received $2,000, we spent $500, balance is $10. He has nothing. He has no record. He has nothing to present. Just likewise, many of them. Only those you see are those who actually gave account and record of their activity or their achievement while in BRGIE before the redeclaration. That is why some of them did not make it. It's not because this person was hated or this person was liked by anybody. No, it was because they were unable to present what they have done while ministers or department heads in the BRGIE government.
I see. So
I believe that the Biafrans are listening, because most of these things are not the things that you come and broadcast on public, but people need to know.
Yeah.
What led to what? Something led to something. If you are in an office and you are unable to give account, I don't know why you can be chosen for the next office again. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. This is a kind of eye opener to.
Sir, God bless you.
Wow.
Thank you. God bless you,
wow,
sir.
wow. All right.
Thank you very much, Honorable. You have exposed a lot for people to see.
God bless you. God bless you.
Many of us will rest in peace now. Many of them will rest in peace.
God bless you. We are greeting you from homeland. God bless you.
You have thrown more light on this, and you have at least exposed them. You have, in fact, nailed them already. Thank you for telling us that this woman was a minister of disease. I don't know.
Not minister. She's not a minister. She's just a director of the department.
Yes.
Not a minister.
Director of Disease and
That
Control.
ministry is under health. Sorry, that department is under health.
Yes. Remove control there. I think it should be director of disease, because if you look at her, if you want to go to disease. Yeah. So thank you very much.